Imagine hiccuping for 68 years straight. That's exactly what happened to Charles Osborne, who holds the record for the longest hiccuping spree in history. Starting in 1922, he hiccuped an astonishing 20 times a minute for decades. Doctors were baffled, and despite numerous attempts to cure him, nothing worked. He even managed to live a full life, marrying and raising a family while battling this relentless hiccuping. Remarkably, his hiccups finally stopped in 1990, but by then, he had hiccuped over 430 million times. Talk about a unique legacy.